Hello, Andy here, and today it's another 5-minute modification, or in this case 5-minute maintenance. So this came about because I was scrolling through my Facebook posts on the BSA Motorcycles UK Facebook page, and I came across this post where this chap Dominic had actually checked the tightness of the air hoses from the throttle bodies leading to the engine and found they were really quite loose. And he suggested that maybe it was this looseness that was causing some of the cutting out and some of the problems with tick over that this bike does experience. Now, I have been experiencing some cutting out, coming to a halt and a tick over, so I'm wondering, is my bike also the same? Does it need tightening up? Well, the good news is that it really is a job that should be just 5 minutes. So I'm going to put that to the test by actually trying to do the job live in just 5 minutes. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? I mean, I am Captain Clumsy after all. So where we need to start is down here with this metal cover that goes over the throttle bodies, and you'll need to take this off to gain access to the various parts. Now, some of the clips you can get at fairly easily, but I do advise you take off the cover so you can get easier access to all three. Now, here's some of the things you may need or may not need. 7mm socket, which should fit round the various Jubilee clip heads, but it may not according to how tight yours is. Hex key for undoing this cover. Screwdriver if you really can't gain access. Optionally, light source to shine into those darker areas, and also optionally something to sit on if you're old and fat like me. Right, let's change the camera angle and get to it. Okay, so we're ready to start. I have my hex key. Let's start the clock. 4mm hex key. Should be quite easy to do this. Just be careful with the bolts, with the Allen bolts, I think they are, or hex bolts. Right, there's one. Let's put him on the ground. The second one fairly easy to get out. The lower one a little bit more tricky because of the angle. That's where you may need the light if it's getting dark where you are. You may not be able to see very much of this. Remember, this is real-time motorcycle maintenance by an idiot for idiots. Right, there's the other cover. There is the cover. There's what's underneath it. And you've got one. Let's bring you down. So, should be able to see in there that there are a total of 3. Points where you need to tighten up. Unfortunately, the last one's right in there. So, let's try socket first. I think that one to the right hand side. Oh yes, there's plenty of play in that. Just tighten up till it's reasonably tight. I think that'll do. So that won't do that. Don't think the spanner will work on that either. So we're down to the screwdriver. And that's a little bit tighter. That doesn't feel really loose at all. Don't want to make it... And there's the other one. And that one is fairly loose. So 2 out of 3 fairly loose, 1 fairly tight. Okay, that is it. All we need to do now is get the cover back on. So that's the reverse of putting the cover on. Job done, and I think that was in under 5 minutes. Very easy to do, and perhaps gives a little bit of added security. There we go, that's that one in there. And the other one, a lot easier to get at. So, even a clumsy fool like me can do this sort of job. If I can do it, so can you. If you're looking for a bit of peace of mind, you might want to put on a dab of Loctite. I'm not today because I'm just planning to have another look at this in a few weeks to see whether there's been any loosening off, whether this is a job that may be part of the, should be part of the service schedule, and be kept an eye on if there is any issue with loosening of hoses causing too much air to get into the engine. And again, that's only a supposition. There's no actual, if you like, hard evidence or anything to suggest that that is definitely the case. So we are going on supposition or common sense that if hoses are loose, they might not be very good for your engine. But there it is. Right, there we have it. Simple 5-minute maintenance done by an idiot, for idiots like me who think they can't use spanners or do simple jobs. It was a simple job with simple tools, easily accomplished, to give a little bit of peace of mind. Will it have any ongoing effect? Well, what I'll do is I'll ride the bike and see whether the cutting out or the stalling has reduced or even increased, and then I'll report back. Okay, does that sound like a sensible option? Excellent. Well, I've been Andy, your Captain Clumsy. This has been a 5-minute motorcycle maintenance video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Helps keep this channel above the choppy waters of the YouTube algorithm. It is important, and I know I keep asking, but it really does make a difference. Give a bit of a thumbs up, leave a comment. Could I have done this better? Is there anything else I should be doing at the point where I've taken off the cover? Feedback from those who are mechanically better off than me is very welcome indeed. Thank you. Bye for now.